So hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, the purpose of giving offset. But before we discuss the purpose of giving offset, let me tell you about the followers. See, we have seen that the followers classifications in which we have seen that the followers, the axis of the follower, or you can say the line of action of the follower passing through the axis of rotation of came, or you can say the center of the came. So let me draw the diagram, then we will see what is the meaning of offset. This is a came, okay, and we have applied the follower like that. Okay, so you can say here this is the line of action, or you can the axis of the follower passing through the center of the game. So when the axis of the follower, or you can say the line of motion, when the line of motion of follower passes through the center of game, passes through the center of game, we call it as the radial follower. We call it as radial follower. Okay, we call it as radial follower. But in the second type of follower, that means second type means we have some modifications in the setup. And what is the modification? See, this is the follower, and this is the came. Okay, so now this time the line of action of the follower is having an offset with the cam center, or you can say it is not passing through the cam center. So basically this distance is known as offset. And what is the purpose of that? When this follower, the line of action of or line of motion of the follower is not passing through the cam center of rotation, it is having a little bit offset. Is it clear to everyone? This is having a little bit offset. See, when we study the types of the followers, we have seen that there are wear, excessive wear, just because the surface area tends to zero. We have seen in the types of classifications of the follower. Okay, so basically, in order to minimize this excessive wear, we generally provide the offset. Okay, so the purpose of giving offset was to reduce the little bit amount of wear. You can see here, write it down. What is the purpose? Purpose of giving offset. Purpose of giving offset was to reduce little bit amount of wear. When we use the knife edge follower, little bit amount of wear. This is the purpose. But as a result, as a result of that, side thrust is also little bit decreases. As a result, side thrust, you can see that side thrust is here. So side thrust is also decreases as a result. But this is not our intention, this is not our purpose of giving offset. Our purpose of giving offset was to reduce little bit amount of wear. Remember that this may be the objective questions. Most of the times students get confused between the side thrust or the wear. Remember that purpose of giving offset was to reduce a little bit amount of wear. As a result of offset, side thrust is also decreases, but intention, our purpose is not to decrease the side thrust. It is decreases as a result. Okay. So you can say if the when you apply the follower here is at this position, the stroke length of the follower is higher. Okay, but when you apply here, the stroke length reduces. So here you can say that the stroke length of follower after giving offset, you can feel the motion of the follower. Then you will be able to understand that the stroke length means how much length is covered by the follower. So stroke length of the follower after giving offset reduced. Is it clear? So it cannot be done beyond a limit. So that's why there is a limit of giving offset. We cannot give an offset. Okay, so there must be a limitation. So therefore so therefore it can't be it can't be done beyond a certain limit. Beyond a certain limit. So this was the purpose of giving offset. I hope you will understand. Okay, if you are not able to understand the if you are not able to understand the stroke length reduction, you can see here that this is our follower. So if the point is here, whatever be the point is here, you can see here it is corresponding to that here. So the stroke length is greatly reduced. Stroke length is greatly reduced. Is it clear? So I hope you will understand this whole concept. Thank you.